As a professional energy solution provider, Tide Power has over 20,000 square meters of factory site in China. In addition to having professional production workshops worldwide, has the capacity to manufacture over 6,000 units of products per year. We are fully equipped with the state-of-art equipment for manufacturing purpose, which include but not limited to standard production modes, advanced laser cutting machines, CNC equipment, and other related machine tools, together with our experienced technical workers, based on our own comprehensive product manufacturing capabilities. Tide Power can provide high-quality power solutions according to global customer needs.